Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do a video that I would like not to do it, which is my Tesla might have a problem. So when I start my Tesla and I just move, I hear some noise from the back, and just in that case, when I just start and it goes very slow. It doesn't do any other noise when I'm driving or, cornering or reverse and that type of thing. So I wanted to record the audio and see if I can catch it, a good recording, so that I can give it to the service, Tesla service, because I think I need to go to check it out. Might be nothing, maybe some grease or something in the back. I don't know. Hopefully it's nothing serious, but I need to check. So I'm going to put you on the armrest and I'm going to do reverse and then going forward very, very slow, like less than a kilometer an hour, and see if anything gets catched on the audio. Okay, so I'm going to put you here. I'm going to put my audio right here in front and let's see if it works. Okay, so going to put in reverse. So reversing very, very slow doesn't do anything. Now let's see if I go forward. Nothing, which is weird because it's not all the time. So that's another issue. I'm going to put it in front. And let's try to stop it here and then drive it very slow. Okay, I'm going to park, set it to drive, and then move. Okay, now it's not doing it. Okay, which is weird. The other thing I noticed might be because I drove maybe half an hour ago, 20 minutes ago, and so it's not doing it, which is very, very weird because it wasn't consistent. Yeah, it's not consistent, so I need to catch it. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning and see if I can catch this noise, which is kind of concerning. So reverse doesn't do any noise, which is good. Of course, there is a pole right in the back, so I don't want to hit it, but I want to try to get close so I can try to go forward. Yeah, and this, okay, let's forward. Yeah, so looks like it didn't do it this time. Which is weird. As I said, it's not consistent. If I do reverse, it doesn't make sound, and if I go forward, it does, not all the time. And the number of times that it did is when I pick up the car after a long time, which is another thing to take into account when I do the service request. So I'm going to do this test probably tomorrow morning and see if I can catch this noise. I wanted to do it on the mobile phone too. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. What I noticed is when let's say the car has not been driven for some time and I start the car, it does it. Not all the time, maybe 60% of the time. And if I stop and restart, it does it. And then after a while, when I'm driving around there, I didn't catch it. I didn't hear it. So I'm not sure. It's something to do with the drivetrain or with the wheels. The brakes, I'm not sure because I don't use the brakes much because region. So I need to do this test tomorrow morning and see if I can catch this noise. Okay, it's like it's not a rattling noise, but it's like a trrr, and then it stops. So I'll do it tomorrow morning. So it's the day after, and I wanted to test this problem that I'm having in the back, this sound when I'm starting the car. So let's do it. Hopefully I can record the audio. I mean, hopefully it catch the audio. So this guy parked right behind me. So let's see if you can hear it. I'm going to put the microphone right beside me, so maybe I can catch something. Didn't catch anything yet. Let's see if it does now. There it is. Stop. Doesn't sound good. Let me stop it here. I'll do a reverse. Okay, reverse doesn't do it. And let's do it again in front. And it's not all the time. Unfortunately. Well, fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know. Anyway, hopefully I catch the audio. This time was it sounded like tun tun tun. So is connected. It's related to the rolling at very low speed. Because when I'm driving, I don't feel or hear anything. So I don't know what to say. Hopefully it catch the audio, and I'm going to take that audio and send it to Tesla and request a service appointment. Probably I'll do it this afternoon. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Right now I'm going to take a road trip. So anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.